In this video, I am going to show you how to reactivate deactivated Facebook account. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now on my profile, as you can see, my account is activated right now. So I will first of all deactivate it right in front of you and then reactivate my account. So to first of all deactivate your Facebook account, you have to tap on menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to extend the menu, then tap on Settings. On your settings, you have to tap on See More in Account Center. In your Account Center, you have to scroll down and tap on Personal Details. In Personal Details, you have to tap on Account Ownership and Control. In Account Ownership and Control, you have to tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the account that you wish to deactivate. Over here, simply select the Deactivate Account option and tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, it will ask you to enter your Facebook account password, so you have to enter that. Once you're done with the password, you will be asked for a reason of you deactivating your Facebook account. So I will simply say, this is temporary, I will be back. Then tap on Continue. Now again scroll down and tap on Continue. Now you have to tap on Deactivate my account. So by doing this, I have easily deactivated my Facebook account. So now if you want to reactivate your account, what you have to do is that you very simply have to log into this account again and it will be reactivated automatically. So to do that, you can either press on login or simply on the profile picture of your account. As my account is deactivated, I can't see its profile picture, but I will simply tap on that, and now as you can see, it will ask me for my password. So I have to enter the password that I used while deactivating my account and tap on login. Once I tap on login, now as you can see, I have easily reactivated my account which I deactivated earlier. So everyone, this is how you can reactivate deactivated Facebook account. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.